Dearly beloved fiends, you have wandered far through static and shadows, and now you stand among the chosen 200. This haunted broadcast, this noise from beyond the tomb is yours now. Welcome to Spacetrucker's Pit Stop, and long live the JURN.